Here's our little trick to get you the best car insurance quote. We use this free service at 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and get you the best quote for your location. Now, in this video we have an important topic that affects all car owners out there: getting the best car insurance quote. Insurance can be a bit confusing, but fear not, because in this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by researching different car insurance providers. There are numerous companies out there, each with their own policies and rates. Look for well-established and reputable insurers. Make a list of potential options. Step 2. Now, it's time to gather information. Write down important details about your car, including its make, model, year, and mileage. You'll also need your driver's license number and personal information handy. This data will help insurers provide you with accurate quotes. Step 3. Visit the websites of the insurance companies on your list. Many insurers offer online quote calculators, which make the process quick and convenient. Enter the required information and be as precise as possible. Accuracy ensures you get the most accurate quote. Step 4. Don't limit yourself to just online quotes. Contact insurance agents directly as well. Sometimes, they can offer additional discounts or personalized advice. Reach out to them, ask questions, and compare the quotes you receive with those from the online calculators. Step 5. Review the coverage options provided with each quote. Car insurance policies typically include liability coverage, comprehensive coverage, collision coverage, and more. Assess your needs and compare the coverage levels offered by different insurers. Ensure you understand what each policy includes and excludes. Step 6. Take advantage of discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for various reasons, such as having a clean driving record, being a good student, or installing safety devices in your car. Check for available discounts and see which ones you qualify for. They can significantly reduce your premium. Step 7. Lastly, before making a decision, read reviews and gather feedback from existing customers. Online reviews and customer testimonials can give you insights into the customer service, claims process, and overall satisfaction levels with different insurance providers. Consider these opinions as you make your final choice. And there you have it, folks. Following these steps will help you secure the best car insurance quote that suits your needs and budget. Remember to do your research, compare quotes, review coverage options, and take advantage of available discounts. By being proactive, you'll find a policy that offers you the best protection at a reasonable price. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.